everybody, welcome back to another ImJasonFish video. Apologies for the lack of videos, the fish have just not been playing along. Hopefully today the fish are biting and we do not continue with our donut streak. This afternoon we are here at Hays Inlet in Clontarf chasing Flathead on the Zman 3-inch Slim Swimz in the trusty motor oil colour. It's quite windy here today, so I'm going with a slightly heavier 1/4 ounce jighead to cast against the wind. We are the first ones here, so let's get straight into it.
Here we are. A little bit windy, but it's alright. Alright everyone, it's quite windy here today. You probably can hear it, but we're sticking through it and hopefully we can land a fish. So the technique that we're using today is firstly, we're casting into the wind as far as we can. Just be mindful of wind knots. So as far as you can, and just wait for that jig head to hit the bottom. So it's on the bottom now, roughly around 7 seconds. And the retrieves are some nice hops all the way back. So nice single hops, some double hops, and let that jig head sink back to the bottom. Nice and slow, hop and pause. And that's it, and keep repeating. Oh, I lost one. Damn it. Alright everyone, what I'm also doing is adding some scent. This is the Procure bloodworm scent. So what I'm doing is I'm adding a generous amount of this scent. So be generous, add plenty and spread it around. It's super sticky, so if you're using your fingertips to spread it around, make sure you bring a cloth. Well yeah, that's it. Yeah, fish. You. Yeah, buddy. It's quite dead, but it is a fish. Yeah. Bit windy, but they're firing, I reckon. It's hanging deep, not too sure what it is. What do we have? Oh, monster. What is that? Oh, that's a big fish, big flatty. Windy days, big flathead. It's quite big. I'm just going to take it easy. Can I see my lure? Is he hooked well? Come on. When it's windy, the big flathead want to play. Nah, doesn't want to come in yet. I hope you can see it. It's just right in front. Just letting it run. I'm only running 10 pound. Hopefully it's hooked well. All right, it's just right there. Oh. Oh! I'm sorry. Oh, it just broke. I'm sorry. There we go, pretty big. Let's see if it's my PB. Alright everyone, there's the flatty. It's quite big. So as I was landing, beaching the flathead, the line snapped. That's because the flathead swallowed my lure hole and it wore through the 10 pound leader. So that's why you have to be careful. But let's see how big this flathead goes. So I got my ruler here. Line it up. Alright, so this flathead sorry about all this mud. So this flathead goes 64 centimeters. So not quite my PB, but it's a nice flathead, nice and fat. Alright everyone, I'm about to get blown away by this cyclonic wind, and it's pretty unpleasant. But I got my feed for tonight, so I'm super happy. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. And thanks for watching. I'm out of here. Cheers.